Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young boy named Timmy. Timmy was known throughout the village for his boundless curiosity and adventurous spirit. But what set him apart was his extraordinary friendship with a very special tree. This tree was no ordinary tree. It was a talking tree named Tara. Tara had the ability to converse with animals, plants, and even humans like Timmy. The two had become inseparable friends since Timmy had discovered the tree deep within the enchanted forest that bordered the village. One sunny morning, Timmy set out on his usual trek to visit Tara. Birds chirped and butterflies danced around him as he made his way through the forest. When he finally arrived, he plopped down under the shade of Tara's branches and greeted her with a cheerful, "Good morning, Tara." "Good morning, Timmy," replied the gentle voice of the tree. "What adventures shall we embark upon today?" Timmy's eyes sparkled with excitement. "How about we explore the hidden pond that lies beyond the old bridge?" Tara rustled her leaves in agreement. "A splendid idea, Timmy. Let's be on our way." As they journeyed deeper into the forest, Tallulah shared stories about the ancient creatures that once roamed these woods. Timmy listened intently, fascinated by the tales of mythical creatures and magical plants. Before long, they reached the old bridge, covered in moss and surrounded by wildflowers. Timmy peered over the edge of the bridge and gasped in awe. Below, a shimmering pond stretched out, reflecting the sky like a mirror. He crouched down to observe the creatures that inhabited the pond. Graceful dragonflies flitting about, frogs leaping playfully, and even a friendly turtle basking in the sun. Tara's voice was filled with wisdom as she spoke. "Every creature has a story, Timmy, just as every tree has its own tale to tell." Timmy's eyes widened. "Do you mean you have a story, Tara?" The tree's branches swayed gently. "Indeed, I have witnessed generations come and go, weathering storms and celebrating moments of joy. I've watched over this forest for centuries." "Tell me your story, Tara," Timmy urged. And so, beneath the dappled sunlight, Tara began to recount her ancient tale. She spoke of the time when the village was nothing but a humble settlement, how she had grown from a tiny sapling to the magnificent tree she was now. She shared stories of families who had sought her shelter, adventurers who had discovered her secrets, and how she had witnessed the cycle of life in all its forms. Timmy listened with rapt attention, hanging on to every word. He felt a deep sense of connection to Tara and the world around him. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the forest, Timmy realized that every moment spent with Tara was a treasure. And so, with a heart full of gratitude and a mind teeming with stories, Timmy bid his friend farewell and promised to return soon. As he walked back to the village, he knew that he had gained not only a talking tree as a friend, but also a keeper of tales that would remain in his heart forever.